This is Frankenplotter. I built Frankenplotter from pieces and parts taken from various items that I had in the garage, mostly from two flatbed scanners that have been sitting around for a few years. I converted the single axis scanners into a dual axis flatbed plotter. The plotter is controlled by a stack of parts on an Arduino compatible Diavolino board. I used only parts that were already in my garage. Some of the parts were general purpose things like scrap aluminum that I had lying around, the original scanner. Some of the parts were extra parts I had bought as part of projects that I'd worked on before, such as the chips that run the motor controller board for the stepper motors. I had already bought the chips at an earlier point as leftovers, spares in case one that I was working on at the time didn't work. The servo motor that's used to control the pin going up and down was part of a kit that I never built. It's been sitting around for a few years. The buttons that control the direction of the plotter for manual adjustment actually were part of the original scanner. I just rearranged them on a different board. At any event, the scanner is designed for now as part of a beta test and a demo. If I turn the scanner on, turn the plotter on. If I turn the plotter on, it'll wait about 20 seconds. During that 20 seconds, I can adjust the position of the origin with the manual adjust buttons. After that, it'll begin doing a demonstration in which the pen drops to the paper and then begins to draw. You see it draws a star and then it writes words. Since I built this plotter in association with the Louisville's Level 1 Hackerspace, I decided to say Level 1 Hackerspace as part of the demo. You can see the servo motor picking up the pen mechanism as it draws the letters. It picks the pen up between the letters and drops the pen as necessary. Frankenplotter.